Good Tuesday morning to you. Trader Nate here. We're going to go over the 4 hot stocks that I'm keeping an eye on today. We're going to start with IFXY. Alright, so we can see the 1-year, 1-day chart up here. It's been on a pretty decent run. It held up okay here at support around 0.0075, 0.008, somewhere in that neighborhood. Then it breached the penny mark the day before yesterday and then held it yesterday. It's gapping up a little bit this morning. You can see on the 1-minute chart here, it's showing a gap up this morning. So what I really want to see here is I want to see it have a little bit of strength in the morning, maybe a little bit of a morning spike, but that's not where I'm going to play it unless it gets pretty wild and crazy. But I'd like to see a morning spike, and then I'd like to see an ABCD pattern or a gun pattern, depending on what you know it by. And then see it break out in the afternoon. The ABCD pattern offers a perfect risk level, makes it easy to get into a trade and have the expectation set for the afternoon. So you can see I have a price alert set above 0.0126. There's obviously some resistance in that area from its previous runs and reruns. So if we can get above that level and then, or even slightly below it and then consolidate it, I think we have a pretty good chance at breaching that level in the afternoon. The second one I wanted to look at, of course, is ILUS. Now, ILUS keeps setting new highs, new 52-week highs, but not by very much. But we're still consolidating at the highs, and so it might consolidate for another day. Realistically, this one needs either volume or catalyst. You can see the volume doesn't match its initial run up, and it's not very close. It's like half. So we really need some volume to step in to actually get a decent breakout on that. One way to get volume is a catalyst. I don't see anything yet this morning, so I wouldn't be surprised if this consolidates for another day on slightly lower volume. But the longer it consolidates, then the stronger that the breakout could be, so I'm okay with that. And we'll be keeping a close eye on it until it decides which direction it wants to go. AABB is the next one. You can see I drew a little bit of a wedge here. It's kind of a little tight, actually a little loose of a wedge. But yesterday was a red day. It's showing a small gap up this morning. I wouldn't mind seeing it break above. You can see I have an alert set at basically 0.23. 23 cents. I think that would be a good indication that it's going to have some strength on the day. Again, this might set up for an ABCD pattern or a gun pattern and be playable in the afternoon. The last one that I wanted to take a peek at today is Fern. Now, Fern has been consolidating near its highs in the past month or so. Right here, you can see it broke out over this clear resistance yesterday by a smidge. And then it kind of held near its highs, so I wouldn't be surprised to see some strength right out of the gate on this one. And it could be in play all day, whether it be the morning spike or an ABCD pattern or a midday move, which has been increasingly popular in today's market in recent times anyways. So those are the 4 that I'm keeping an eye on today. Nothing that really screams, hey, play me right away, so it might be a good day to sit on my hands and just watch the action at least till the afternoon and things can confirm a little bit. Anyways, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button. We do morning watch lists just like this every morning, outlining the plays that I see that could possibly be coming up for the day. And then at the end of the day, I go back over all the trades that I did make. Completely honest and transparent. If I lost money, I'm going to tell you I lost money. If I made money, I'm going to tell you I made money. So I'm not trying to be a pumper. I'm not trying to pump myself up. It is what it is. I'm still on the learning curve, and hopefully we're getting a little more consistent on the profits that we do have and turning the corner. We also have Trading 101 videos, and those are outlining the basics, and we're going to continue to build on that base and continue to add videos to that playlist as well. So make sure you subscribe so you're not missing anything. Thank you very much, and best of green days to you.